I like to equate it to you have a friend, family member who's on life support, and you have to decide whether or not to take them off life support. That's how important this decision is.
Deliberations got underway right around 12:40 this afternoon.
Yeah, that came after both the prosecution and defense made their final case as Schurr stands charged with the murder and the death of Patrick Lyoya. Jacqueline Francis has been anchoring our streaming coverage of this trial. So, Jacqueline, any word if the jury has gone home for the day?
We just learned that they have been sent home for the day. Their deliberations come after 6 days of testimony, 23 witnesses, including the officer himself. And now it's up to those 12 jurors to decide whether he's guilty or not.
I hope we're not getting calloused. And callousing is the fact that how many times do we watch a video of another person, Patrick, dying over and over and over again? It wasn't TV, it's not movies. This is a real man, a human being, who was shot in the back of the head.
The jury can play the video as many times as they need while deliberating, deciding the fate of former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr.
You don't get to shoot somebody because they're trying to get away.
In his closing, prosecutor Chris Becker said Patrick Lyoya was no saint, but he didn't deserve to die.
Because you don't compare, okay, one's good, one's bad, we'll just throw it up there. You have to base the case based on the facts.
Attorneys for the officer say it was self-defense.
That's it. That's how much time he's got to make up his mind. That's what you're judging him on.
They argue Schurr feared for his life when Patrick got hold of his police taser.
Well, you heard from Officer Schurr. Judge him on his testimony.
The choices before the jury are voluntary manslaughter, second-degree murder, and not guilty.
I like to equate it to you have a friend, family member who's on life support, and you have to decide whether or not to take them off life support. That's how important this decision is.
The jury will return tomorrow morning for day 2 of deliberations. As soon as we get word of a verdict, we will let you know.
We know you'll be following. Thank you, Jacqueline.